Again on Thursday, the locals said blocking the road at Pakhipara on the Gonda to Roshabari road, demanding to provide the wages of Rega as soon as possible. The road blockade was withdrawn after about 3.5 hours. According to the details of the incident, Rega workers of Pakhipara, Kamdepara and some other villages under Dumbunagar block under Gondashara subdivision of Dhalai district have not been getting wages for the last 3 months after completing the Rega work. On Thursday, Rega workers from all parts of the concerned area united and blocked the road at Pakhipara on the Gondashara Rashabari road. After receiving the news, police and TSR Jawans immediately reached the blockade. BDO James Darlong arrives at the blockade, but the besiegers refused to pay any attention to the present BDO. Finally, after receiving the news, DCM Dilip Debarma of the Sub-Divisional Administration reached the spot. DCM Dilip Debarma held discussion with those blocking the road.
Boy, bus habu tu masa ya tongo, school kena ni private beton di maya tongo, boy noksi pagwis masa nai tongo, kamu kena masa nai mui kutung pagwis nai tongo, pagwis nai tongo. Hai panu bini bagoy, bo kisah bo wan cuma ringnya deba. Kok si cawu bukai, hai masih bo era si klien apa? Kamu hai tahu cuma cah bukai. Tabu bo bonus haka, tabu bo gar ni nak hari kisah saya bujuk, gar ni si nak hari yang kemana tamu klien tong tabu saya. Kamu si kau kai. के बदल बखैना फयारा तो का दिखैना नि फाइदा ओ तारिगो दाइरी ना अम तारि दाइरी न रखि सब पिखा फाइदे हम फाना छाना बाबा दाइरे फेमा पैसे ब एरे सिखैना फु हम हाइता समस्या हकाय.
After a long discussion, the blockaders withdrew the road blockade after receiving the promise of DCM Dilip Debarma. At least a breath of relief comes among the common people. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.